Hola, me llamo Sofía y hoy voy a preparar los tacos. Los tacos se comen típicamente en Norteamérica. ¡Vamos! Para preparar la primera parte de este plato es necesario que usted compre un tomate, un pimiento rojo, una cebolla y unos hongos. Ahora corte las verduras y los hongos. No sé cómo cortar una cebolla. Ahora un poco de la cebolla para poner en los tacos. Ahora corte el tomate para poner en los tacos. Manos de los tomatos. Para preparar la segunda parte de este plato es necesario que usted compre carne molida, una lata de frijoles, agua y condimentos de los tacos. Vuelva el color al medio. Derrita la mantequilla en el caso. Ahora los cebollos. La sal y el pimiento.
Yep. Okay.
Añada los pimientos rojos.
Wait.
Ahora añada los hongos. Es delicioso.
I don't look very convincing.
Una lata de frijoles es siempre delicioso.
Yes.
Verta los frijoles en una olla.
You can tell it's cooking by the way it's cooking.
Right?
Ahora es el tiempo de cocinar la carne molida.
What's molida?
Brown.
Do I put in the meat?
Yep.
Whop.
Yep.
Sazone la carne molida.
All the water?
Yes.
Is
all
this the water that the cows drink out of, or new water?
No. God. That's disgusting.
Deje que el tiburón coma la carne.
No.
Para preparar la tercera parte de este plato es necesario que usted compra la crema agria, el queso, las tortillas y el cilantro. Cocine la tortilla. Los tacos para el tiburón. El tiburón se llama Timoteo.
Get it off there.
It's hot.
Obviously. You want that first? Is that what you want first? Really? Okay, whatever. Just do it.
This is my life. I
This'll
can
be
live it
music
how I
playing
want.
over this
I can
anyway.
live it how I want.
Right.
I can live my taco life in the best
Too
way.
much. You're never gonna be able to fold that.
Fine.
You are
You're
way
a
out of
taco
line.
judge. You're judgy about tacos.
Way too much meat. Okay, just do it. Okay, now the beans. Now the beans.
Why are you so judgy about tacos?
Because you're just making this like way too big. This is too much stuff. Oh my god. What are you doing? What are you doing?
This
That
is
looks
my taco.
terribly
This
uncut.
is my life. My taco
Okay.
life.
Jesus. Should have given you something to use instead of your fingers. Okay, what next? Okay, beautiful. Okay, what now? Is that it?
Yeah, it's really hot.
Okay.
It's really hot, Dad. No, wait, cheese.
Cheese is over here.
This is my taco life. I live it how I want.
Too much cheese. Oh my god. Sour cream. Sour
No,
cream.
I don't put that
Oh,
inside.
okay. Now what do you do?
No.
Now what do you do? Now what are you doing?
What have I done?
Get some sour cream on your plate. Dum, 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 dum.
Un taco por un tiburón. Mmm, delicioso.